There's one song we were prepared, if it's okay.
Please, yeah.
This is a song that the lyrics is Ena Bogi ni Cila Vinaka na Vula. The translation is on nights when the moon shines. This is a folk song that was composed by, I stand corrected, by the Tamani from Ovalau. The song talks about the loss, the nostalgia, when the capital was shifted from the old capital in Levuka to Suva. So the one who composed the song or came up with the concept, the idea, was from the old capital in Levuka and was around the harbor area, and saw how the waves were ebbing and flowing, and memories went back to Levuka. So the song will open with a song, three parts voices, along the lines of the romantic ballads, Fijian. And the song talks about yearning for Levuka. The text they'll see the text of the song.
Yeah.
But if I read it out, the Fijian text we will sing out, but the English translation is on nights when the moon shines, as I tarry on in Suva, when the waves lazily lap on the shores, I am overwhelmed with nostalgia. Alas, my dear Ovalau, fringed around by reefs, my ears seem to hear the sounds of the pounding of its surf. I am emotional when they say that Levuka is deserted. Oh, how I yearn to stroll neath its tall verandas when the street lights go out. Indeed, Suva is immense fun. One can always find all the time, yet never will I ever give up my memories of Levuka. So we'll sing the version Acapella, Ena Bogi. We'll sing it today. I'll put the mic down. Ena Bogi ni Cila Vinaka na Vula. Oh, my voli Suva. Maravu, koto, loma, toba, vakavuna, noqu, loloma. Oilei, Ovalau, volita, cakau, vaka, rorogo, domo, luluvu na loma ni ramai kaya. Levuka salala, au ngai nau ni ruku ni varanda, ni noqu tuna vina ni ngau ni sala. Isa oilei Ovalau ni volita na cakau. Vaka, rorogo,
kandua na nomu na numi Levuka isa oilei ko Ovalau ni volita na kena vakau vaka me rorogo tunga mai biau na domo ni kena biau vaka me rorogo tunga mai
Vinaka.
What were you thinking?
Well, I felt nostalgic, actually. Even though I've never been to Levuka. I felt a sense of like, yeah, there was some real longing in that.
Longing.
in that
Thank
song.
you. That's encouraging because we delivered the right interpretation, the emotional. Naka, you're most welcome.